If you are a woman, especially a mother, with a passion for work and success, you will have many barriers and challenges that will push you to surrender. My name is Baraah, 29 years old. I am a Syrian woman graduated from EMPACT in Turkey, and I did not surrender. All I wanted was safety and a normal life for me and my family. We didn't feel stable. We were bumped by planes and displaced several times to neighboring villages. Turkey was my only hope for survival. We tried to cross the Turkish border several times. We walked in the forests and crossed the mountains. But we failed until my husband was able to enter Turkey because of his work as a doctor with humanitarian organizations there. And I waited with my children a whole year, waiting for the procedures for the reunification. My experience with EMPACT provides to me everything I was looking for, and I really realized that nothing hinders ambition as long as there's a lot of motivation and effort expended. My name is Baraah, 29 years old, and I did not surrender. I hope my story will inspire you to do the same.